how to use Jupiter DEX on Solana 2026. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to use Jupiter DEX on Solana. So for that, you have to set up and fund your wallet first. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then search for the wallet like Phantom, Backpack, or Solfair. So for now, let's search for Phantom Wallet. Then download it to your device and then open the app. Now tap on create a new wallet. Once you create your new wallet, purchase SOL on a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance, or directly in your wallet and withdraw it to your Solana address. Now connect to Jupiter and then perform a token swap. Navigate to the swap or instant tab on the dashboard, and in the You're Paying field, select the token you want to sell and enter the amount. Now in the To Receive field, select the token you want to buy. Jupiter will automatically calculate the best route for your trade. Tap, swap, and confirm the transaction in your wallet. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.